One person playing cricket, another person playing chess. Both are players only. Both are playing. Can I use cricket rules in the chess or can I use chess rules in the cricket?
No, sir.
No, right? That game is both are players only. Both are players only. But the rules are different. Their lives are different. You can't use cricket rules in the chess rules in the cricket. Okay? Suppose tomorrow you have mathematics exam is there. Are you going to prepare physics and then going to the mathematics exam?
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
So your required thing is mathematics. You have to follow that. But your friend requirement is the physics. He has to follow that. Okay? So don't copy blindly. Don't compare blindly. Your life is different. You require to think about your life only. Remember that. Their lives are different. A number of factors are there internally. Okay? Don't do any comparison kind of thing. Always compare. Compare?
Yourself. Ourselves.
Compare with yourself. Always compare with yourself. When compared with yesterday, today, am I did any good thing? Am I did any good thing? Or am I improved anything? In this style, you require to think. Okay? Compare with yourself only.